Hi guys, most of the people will get answer 0 for this problem in wrong way. Here 60 minus 60 is 0. Here 60 minus 60 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operation. Now we have subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtractions. So 60 minus 3600 minus 60. Now we have two subtractions. Which is first? As per this left to right rule, we have to do this first. So we'll get 3540 negative. Now minus this 60. Here minus 3600. This is the correct answer. The answer is negative 3600.